Morning, this is Gary from Block Automotives. We're doing a 2004 Yukon rear brake pad replacement. Tools needed is 22mm lugger wrench socket or a socket, breaker bar, 14mm socket, and a C-clamp. You're gonna take a 14, loosen up these, which is already loosened. This bolt here. This is spinning. You just hold this little piece right here, pliers or your fingers if it still spins, and retract the bolt. Okay, when you loosen up the bolts, get ready, just take them out. Put that to the side. Take this one out, put it to the side. You could pull on this a little bit, loosen up that sensor or the caliper piston. You can wiggle this out. Take this out. Move this to the side. Take off your brake pads. Back pad. Yes, I know this road is bad. Don't let the customer know. Right now we're just doing pads. Put the new pad on, slide it in. Take the other pad, put it onto the back. Pads are on. You take a C-clamp, compress the pistons back in on the caliper. When you're done with that, put the caliper back on, and put the bolts back on. Put the caliper back on, slide them in. There's put that back on there. Take the bolt, line it up in a hole. There. Put this one back in here. Make sure the bolt goes back in the hole. Tighten that up. Hold this one. Sure. Nice and tight. Do the top one. Tighten it by hand until it's snug. It's tight. Make sure these two bolts are tight. If you got to change this caliber, like I said before, you can clamp this line and release this. You clamp it with like a or a vice grip, which it don't allow your brake fluid from the back to flow all the way out. Put the caliper back on and just bleed a little bit. Sometimes you don't have to bleed them, but that stops it from having to bleed your brake system. Thank you. Have a good day.